Hello, kids. How are you? I'm missing all of you so much. Today we are going to study about matter. Do you remember what is matter? Yes, everything around you is matter. The chair you sit in, the table you're studying on, the pencil you're holding, the food you eat, everything is matter. But how does matter change? Yes, if you heat matter, it changes, and similarly, when you cool matter down, it also changes. Yes, let's see. These are some matters. You like to eat pasta? And see, it's so hard when it's uncooked. But when you cook it, it becomes soft. That's why you can chew it very easily. These are grains. They are very hard. But when you cook them and you heat them, they become flowy like a soup. They become flowy like a soup because they become soft. Similarly, look at this egg. Egg is like water. It's like a liquid. But when you cook an egg, it becomes hard. Then you can easily eat an egg. Yes? Otherwise, raw egg is very soft and like water. The liquid around you is also water. Look at this. This is liquid. This is water. When you put water down, it flows away. It flows away. Yes, it can flow. It does not have a shape, so water is liquid. Similarly, milk, it's also liquid, and all these liquids are matter. Now let's take water as an example. When water is in room temperature, it is liquid and it flows. But when you cool it down, it becomes solid, like this ice. But when you heat it, it becomes steam. Can you look at the steam? You cannot see steam like this when the water is, but when you put something on top of it, you can look at the steams. Can you look at the vapors now? Yes. See? This way you can look at the steam. Be careful, it's very hot. So when the water is heated, it turns into steam. See? It turns into steam. And steam is matter because it takes up space. Look at this balloon. It's very small. But when you blow air in this balloon, it gets big. So it means the air takes space. Let's see how it changes. Look at this. When you blow air in the balloon, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger because the air is taking space from inside the balloon. Let's take the air out of the balloon. See? The air came out and the balloon is again small. So air is also matter. Why? Because it takes space. Let's look at our book once again. So when you heat the matter, it changes. Similarly, when you cool the matter down, it also changes. Raw egg. is very flowy, like I just told you. Raw egg is very flowy. But when you cook the egg, it hardens and it becomes a bit hard, like this. Yes? Can you draw a cooked egg here? Similarly, when matter cools, it may change. A liquid may become solid. I just showed you the ice. When you cool the water down, it becomes ice. Similarly, when it cools the juice down, raw egg is very flowy. But when you cook the egg, it hardens and it becomes a bit hard, like this. Yes? Can you draw a cooked egg here? Similarly, when matter cools, it may change. A liquid may become solid. I just showed you the ice. When you cool the water down, it becomes ice. Similarly, when it cools the juice down, it becomes an ice lolly. Yes? Any food, any fruit, any liquid, when you cool it down in a freezer, it becomes solid. And this is your page for homework. Can you please finish your homework? Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask me in the WhatsApp. Thank you.